Care Health and Rehab Center has confirmed cases of the bacterial infection known as the whooping cough. Donna Williams live at Extendicare Health this evening. Donna, what's the latest here?
Yeah, Ben, that's right. We received several Facebook messages all asking if the whooping cough was right here in this building behind us. Now, we did reach out to an administrator, and she did confirm that they do have some cases of the whooping cough. She also tells me they are working hard to make sure it does not spread.
We have a few confirmed cases here at Extendicare, and there has been cases in Houston and Henry County.
Cases of pertussis, better known as whooping cough, are popping up in the Wiregrass. Extended Healthcare say they are working closely to end the spread of whooping cough.
We're working closely with the Geneva, Alabama Department of Public Health to contain the spread of the whooping cough.
Whooping cough does not only affect children, but teenagers and adults as well. If an affected person coughs or sneezes, the bacteria spreads within a matter of seconds.
Sanitation and vaccination.
Karen and her mom took a trip Wednesday to the Extendicare to visit her aunt. She tells us she and her mom both have the vaccination, but she wants to be as safe as possible.
Everywhere I go public I keep sanitizer in my car and in my purse. So I use it when I go in, I use it when I come out.
Karen says she got the vaccination nearly 25 years ago. Another resident says she's taking a more holistic approach. We've reached out to the health department to find out the number of confirmed cases, but we have yet to hear back. Now, Ben, once we hear back from the health department, we can confirm the number of cases of the outbreak. But until then, if you're at home, make sure you are washing your hands and sanitizing. Reporting live in Dothan, Donna Williams, WDHN. Back to you, Ben.
All right, Donna, thanks for that report tonight.